So what is the future of medicine? I'm Dr. Caroline. I'm the CEO and founder of Fibergenics, and I believe the future of medicine is sound frequency medicine. It is by far the most powerful healing tool we can use, and it is not new. There are thousands of frequencies over the last 80 to 100 years, even some ancient frequencies that have been used for millenniums that are really powerful and really effective. And all of that is now coming into the present, and we're finding out it is more powerful than just about anything else we can do. Why is that? It's because you are 70% water, and sound travels 5 times faster through water. What's more is those sound frequency formulas are reaching every cell and every atom in your body simultaneously. Now think about this for a minute. You have 100 trillion atoms in every cell, and you have 100 trillion cells in your body. So this is literally quantum medicine. There is nothing that is more profound on the way it can affect the body, affect the cells, affect the atoms, your entire energy field, which extends way out past your body. The thing that I see coming is sound frequency medicine being integrated with so many things, and that's exactly what we're doing at Fibergenics. We are integrating our 3,000 formulas into medical grade red light, into our saunas, into our sound bed, everything that we have here, because it's your most powerful tool and it's accessible for you. You can have this in your home, you can have this in your clinic, you can have it anywhere and treat yourself with sound frequencies. You don't have to take Tylenol, ibuprofen, anti-anxiety, antidepressive drugs, because there's frequencies for that actually lift the cloud, lift your spirits. If you get kidney stones, you can shatter them with sound frequencies. Sound frequencies are amazing. There is nothing like them in any other modality. So I hope that you'll spend some time, do a little more research. Please reach out to us if you need to know anything else. That is my world, that is my life, that is my passion, sound frequency medicine.